Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sell things on Poshmark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Poshmark app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you should get logged into your account. Once you do this, you can find the sell icon on the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from the gallery simply select anything you want to sell. So by tapping on it, you can simply select the item, and then now you need to edit your listing by giving their categories, their size, their description, what they are, and in what colors they are available, and all the basic information that has been asked from the Poshmark. So once you have filled everything, you need to now tap on the next button on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you tap on the next button, you will now be redirected to different kind of interface, which will basically look like this. So now simply tap on the list icon on the top right hand side of the corner and you will be able to sell on Poshmark. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.